Hi, we're checking out Jerome today and some $300,000 gems. We're starting off in North Park, which has an amazing large play area. A skate park, which is awesome. They have car shows here too. Their interactive toys are all lined up near the play set. And these are even fun for adults. And if this is your first time on the channel and you want to know all there is to know about living in the Magic Valley, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be the first to know about the curd market here in South Central Idaho. My name's Carol Nolan, and I've been living in the Magic Valley for almost 20 years. And I love helping people make a smooth move to the Magic Valley. And if that's you in the next 9 days or 9 months, make sure you reach out. All my contact information is in the description below. And look at this amazing skate park right here. I'm hoping some of these guys will go down it. He's on his scooter. Has a great skate park, those interactive toys, a great splash zone for the kids to play on, covered patios, which are absolutely beautiful, all of these gorgeous trees and lots of shaded areas. So let's head over to our first gem here in Jerome. Our first home is on J Street in Jerome. It was built in 2006, is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and has 1,230 square feet. This listing price is $318,000, and it's just been dropped $7,000 on July 27th. The vaulted ceilings and the open concept layout create a bright, welcoming space, and all the appliances are included. That's always a great bonus. But they do have some trees and stuff in the front to kind of give you a little bit of privacy. One of the great things about this home is that it has a walk-in shower, and it also has a walk-in tub. So if you have any disabilities, or if you're just older perhaps, it just makes it a lot easier, for that arena. There's lots of mature landscaping surrounding the home. The backyard is fenced to keep your fur babies and your kids safe. And there's a beautiful patio to enjoy. Barbecues and just the outdoor summer life that Idaho offers. There we go. That's a better picture. So if you love the outdoors, you can take a hike on the Jerome side of the Snake River Canyon. And you can come to a little place called Mermaid Cove, and it's a beautiful waterfall to check out. The trail starts at Yink's Grade and is a very well-maintained trail that descends all the way into the canyon. It even provides like a swimming hole if the water isn't rushing too quickly. It is especially beautiful at sunset, and there's multiple trails and fishing spots there to enjoy. You can also stay at the KOA campground, and that's also in Jerome. You can camp there in a tent. You can take an RV. There's cabins even. And the KOA has a pool located inside the campground, which is really nice if you have kids. And it also has a dog park. Just to kind of get an idea of this neighborhood, just to give you a little bit of a view. It's very quiet, and it looks very well kept. Everybody has a little difference on what well kept is, but it's very nice. The roof on this house looks great, and the siding looks really good too. So we're going to head over to our next gem. Hang on. Our next gem is at South Date Street in Jerome. It's also a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,387 square feet. It's just a little bigger, so you get a little bit more comfort for your price. It's also dropped $7,000 as of July 14th. The price point is $329,900, and it was built in 2020. I love the picket fence around the front yard, and inside has an open concept with a breakfast bar, and the appliances included here are your refrigerator, oven, dishwasher, microwave, the washer and dryer, a water softener, and it's a decolonization system, and the security equipment, and the garage has a heater. So lots of bonuses in this home. The countertops are laminate, and they have some nice built-ins, bookcases in one of the rooms. Bathrooms are clean and walls look good. Lots of windows for natural lighting. The back patio looks large with a garden space, and a patio cover can be added easily. This home is close to all the schools in Jerome, and you can see Rotary Park is just down the street. And we'll take a little look at this neighborhood too, kind of give you an idea. You know, the neighbor across the street could do a little bit of yard work, but that's okay. Everything else looks pretty good. So the roof looks nice on this home. The siding looks great. I love their roses out front. We have 2 rocking chairs to enjoy. It's a very quiet neighborhood. And right down the street is a park. Your grocery store is Ridley's, which is also right down the street. So a lot of conveniences in this house. So let's jump over. Next gem. So here we are now on B Street in Jerome, and it's listed for $349,900. But this home has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a little bit more square footage at 1,503 square feet. It was built in 2007, and it's been very well maintained. As you can tell by the curb appeal, it's very inviting, and I love all the flowers. It has a large, nice backyard and a patio to enjoy. The kitchen countertops are granite, and although it isn't a great room, it does have an open floor plan. It does also have a split bedroom layout for added privacy, and the primary suite includes a bathroom and walk-in closet. The backyard is vinyl fencing plus mature fruit trees, and it has established landscaping. It's a larger lot, almost a quarter of an acre, and as you explore the Magic Valley, you can venture over to Shoshone to the Indian Ice Caves, which is a must-see. It's a 1,000-foot lava tube loaded with history, and it's actually filled with ice. The bottom of the cave is lined with like 8 to 30 feet of ice year-round. Don't forget a jacket because it gets below freezing temps, even in the hottest days of summer. And Shoshone also has the Mammoth Cave, which is one of the largest volcanic caves in the world. It truly is remarkable. There's no tour guides necessary. It's kind of like a self-guided cave. And next to the cave is the Shoshone Bird Museum. Check it out to see some impressive, somewhat eerie taxidermy work. And then we'll talk about employment here in Jerome. There are several large businesses that operate in Jerome, Idaho, with a strong presence in agriculture and related industries. The key employers include Idaho Milk Products, Jerome Cheese, and the True West Beef. Additionally, there's this hemp texture. It's the nation's largest wool insulation company that's located in Jerome. And the city has a thriving trucking and logistics sector with companies like Wow Logistics and various trucking firms. So, and what's interesting about this house is it's in an older neighborhood. Everything looks here like it might even be close to, how's it close to my face? Like even 100 years old. But you see, have all the mature landscaping, the trees line the street. A lot of older homes. So if you like that look, but you'd prefer a newer built house, this house here on B Street might be perfect for you. It's got a 2-car garage. The roof looks good. The siding looks really great. It does have some nice trees around it. So they have a little dog too. He's glad that I'm here. But this has some low maintenance out here too. Small yard. So we're going to hop on over to our last little gym that we're going to take a look at in Jerome, and I hope you're going to love it. And our final home today is located on Owl Court in Jerome. And I love the curb appeal of this beautiful grass, and they have some corn growing in their front yard. I love it. It's a newer home. It was built in 2017, and it's just over on 1/3 of an acre with RV parking is available, and the home is very contemporary. Look as we go inside. I love the colors. It's a nice, neutral, welcoming grays. I also love the fireplace, lots of windows and lots of natural lighting. And there's can lighting up in the ceiling. The kitchen has a breakfast bar and a dinner area. And of course, I love those dark cabinets and the stainless steel appliances. The refrigerator isn't included in this one, and the vaulted ceilings make it a nice great room effect with lots of open space, and square footage is 1,661 square feet. I love the lighting too over the breakfast bar. Rooms are spacious, and the dark cabinetry in the bathrooms also. Your primary bathroom has dual sinks, which is important to some. Nice extended 2-car garage, and that 1/3 of an acre always gives you lots of space for your backyard. Also, as a note, the tough sheds are not included either. And I checked on niche.com, and the Jerome schools aren't really listed. It might be due to the population. It's estimated that Jerome has just over 13,000 living in it. And in Idaho, it's much more diverse population, with almost 50% of the population in Jerome being Hispanic. With Jerome, you're only about 15 minutes outside of Twin Falls, and they also have a Walmart there for quick shopping. There's lots of eateries available. Garibaldi's Mexican food's awesome. There's a great place to check out called Mountain View Barn, and it's a beautiful building which hosts lots of things like meetings, weddings, parties, farmers markets, and more. They have a little coffee shop that's open 9 to 2 most days and serves breakfast and lunch. And on the opposite side of the barn is a little shop filled with homemade items from all around the region. There's no better place to enjoy a tasty meal than in a beautiful historic farm. So I wanted to show you this neighborhood a little bit. It's this really, really nice upper end, all vinyl fencing, all newer homes. It's a really great subdivision. And right now on market is about 67 single family homes that are listed here in Jerome. So there's lots to choose from. Today I showed you those ranging in the $300,000 range. Oh, and this home was listed at $399,900. But there's all kinds of homes listed at $200,000, $400,000, $500,000, $600,000, $700,000, $800,000, up to $1 million. Jerome also has a golf course, and you can enjoy that if that's something that you're looking for. And so I just wanted to thank you again for joining me today. I hope that God will richly bless you as you make your move to the Magic Valley and you're searching for homes. If you'd like some help, I would love to help you find that perfect place for you. Just reach out. All the contact information is in the description below. God bless you and have an amazing day.